Hello guys, I am Sayo and today I am going to set up my drawing desk. As you can see, it's a mess. Means barely can't believe that. Probably not only my art supply, but like this waste, this pants, and this is all and this is a start I made to like it. Okay, let's get back to this. First, I'm going to clear up this all. Okay. And Billy, this thing I found. It's cute, right? It's a drawing eraser they got as a birthday gift. Let's get back to this cleaning. It's more messier now. And how's my cup actually? I'm gonna use it for my art pens and pencils like that. And you can buy this from Amazon. This is from Furmax. Okay, let's get back to our cleaning. And probably what is this doing in here? Oh, fresh. I can't believe that. Just go away. Let's get back to it. Okay, we got the mess cleared up. And for my drawing, I'm going to use this lamp. This lamp is from Flipkart. Okay, this is a rate of at least 500. Okay, this is a very nice brand of it. See, this is the on-off button. If we press it one time, it's a normal mode. But a second time causes it to a second mode. The third one is the brightest. Okay, let's get to decorating. I said I will use this cup, right? I'll keep my cup over here. It's a surprise what will happen next. Okay, this is how it turns out. Do you like that thing? See that. This is my drawing desk. Now I will bring my markers. The markers are from Tufu, which I brought from Amazon. Let's get started. Now, these are the markers from Touch, and these are 48 pieces. Let me open that. Whoa. I can't barely open it. I'm shooting it, so I'm going to stop. Here you go, my markers. These are actually perfectly fine. The light and bright colors, probably. Let me set them up over here. Wait a sec. Now here it goes. This is my art desk. And you know about this light, right? Means actually I need to charge it. Now here you go. This is the charging plate. You keep your charger. The charger should be like this. Okay. Now actually, as it's an art desk, I need a mat. So my markers staying back, but they are not acrylic, but they are for art. And you can share the colors. So I'll show you the color pencil one later. But now we are setting up this desk. It's a pretty hard one. Here we need a marker. Here we need a map. This is a map that I made and I drew on it too. So these are the stains that came when I drew on this. It was hard to make, but okay. Now, how do you like my discs? If you like it, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye guys. Follow my channel for more interesting videos. Bye guys.